Ever wonder where your money goes when using Stripe? Let's demystify one piece of that puzzle: debits. In Stripe, a debit is essentially money moving out of your account. Think of it as the opposite of a credit. You'll typically see debits listed in your Stripe dashboard under transactions or payments. They represent various outgoing amounts. One common type of debit is a payout reversal. This happens if a payout to your bank account fails and the funds are returned to your Stripe balance. Fees are another major category. Stripe charges fees for processing payments, and these fees are debited from your account. You'll see entries for things like transaction fees or monthly subscription costs. Adjustments can also result in debits. Let's say a customer issues a chargeback. If you lose the dispute, the chargeback amount will be debited from your Stripe balance. Understanding debits is vital for accurate bookkeeping. By keeping track of where your money is going within Stripe, you can easily reconcile your accounts and ensure accurate financial reporting. So, next time you see a debit in your Stripe account, remember it's simply an outgoing transaction, helping you keep your financial house in order.